Hey everyone, thanks for joining in today. I hope you're having a good Thanksgiving break. So for this video, I'm going to be opening up a Naruto collectible card game booster box. This box is from set 10 Lineage of Legends. I'm excited for this box. I know there's a lot of really cool cards in this set, so without further ado, let's get into it. So let's take a closer look at the package art. On the left you have Jiraiya in his younger days. And then on the right you have the 4th Hokage. The details are going to be the same for most of the booster boxes I open up. You're going to have 10 cards in a pack, 6 common, 2 uncommon, and 1 rare. And then in each pack will be a holographic card, unless it's a super rare, which is 1 in every 6 packs. The super rare will take the place of the holographic. So there's 24 packs in this booster box. We should get 4 super rares. So just to speed it up, I'm going to take all of the packs out and cut them open. That way we can save some time. I'm going to start with the Jiraiya packets. Before I get into this, I'll throw up on screen the super rares that are in this set. I'm hoping that I can get Jiraiya in his younger days, as well as the 4th Hokage. That would be pretty cool. But anyways, let's get into it and open up the first pack. So starting off, the first card is going to be Shark Skin. The rare is Youths of the Land of Wind. There's the foil name. We have Transformation. Time Stands Still. Our holographic back is Lightning Ball. We have Surprise Attack in the Dark. Repose of the Warriors. Scum Recipe. Sakura, and Island of Mysterious Abductions. Alright, so it looks like the rare was the second card, the holographic was in the middle. So it should be like that for the rest of these cards. Second pack, we're going to have Torpedo Nail. The rare is Kasami. We have the Squad 7, Hokai, or Hoki. Our holographic is Pocha Lee, or Pocha Lee. He's a big boy. Next we have Ino, Blown in the Wind, Ache of the Curse Mark, Hoku Shin, and Kankuro. Moving on to the third pack. First card will be Armed Puppet. I'm Coming to You. Hyuga Wei. Rock Lee. Island of Mysterious Abductions. Multi-Shadow Clone Jutsu. The rare is Wanted Poster with a Reward. Iron Chain. Haido. And the holographic is Youths of the Land of Fire. So that time the order was different. Interesting. Alright. Fourth pack. Starting off with the rare, it's going to be Komi. Next is Released Power. Sasuke Uchiha. Our holographic back is Sea Monster Panic. Next is Leaf Village's Open Competition. Sancho. Visitors from the Darkness. Pokcha Lee. Thunder Funeral Feast of Lightning. And Chakra Absorption Jutsu. Alright, 5th pack. We have Transformation. Temujin. Gatsu is our rare. And our first super rare is Jiraiya in his younger days. That's awesome. Alright, so 5 packs in, we've pulled our first super rare, and it's one of the super rares I wanted. Here's a closer look. He's a 5 entrance cost, 2 hand cost. There's the details, or his effect. He's a 7-2 healthy, 5-2 injured. And the 3 dots are what signify a super rare, as well as the holographic back and name. Awesome. That is how you start off a booster box. I'm going to throw him in a sleeve just for a little protection. And put him right off to the side, just like that. Alright, we'll continue on with the pack. We have Irregular Attack, Self-Sacrifice, False Jutsu, Konohamaru Ninja Squad, and Kankuro, and Chakra Absorption Jutsu. 6th pack. Starting off, we have Blocked Memory, and that's a rare. Next is Water Style Great Cannonball Jutsu. Might Guy. Holographic back is Flying into the New Era. Clematis Dance Flower. Hidode. Survival on Mount Takurami. Konohamaru Ninja Squad. Muscle Memory. And last is Assimilation Sand Burial. 6 packs in, we have 1 super rare. 7th pack, starting off, we have Wounds from the Lost Battle. Weight Training. Duel at OK Temple. 10-10. Lightning Ball. Deformable Body. Flying into the New Era. And that's our rare. Striking Shadow Snake. Temujin. And the holographic back is Ghost Panic. Number 8. Starting off with Ghost Panic. And that's a rare. Then we have Asuma Sadatobi. Our holographic back is Gentle Fist. Assimilation Rock Tank. Imina. Temporary Team. Gosun Kugi. Super Excellent Great Hyper Attack. Assimilation Sand Coffin. Fire Style Dragon Flame Jutsu. Number 9. We have Symbol of the Evil. Right Man for the Right Job. Izumo and Kotetsu. Choji. Backup. Tokai is our rare. Demon Illusion Hellfire Jutsu. Kakashi and Might Guy. Our holographic back is Black Tornado. And last one is Irregular Attack. Pack 10. First card is Tornado Lightning. We have Yoro Okado. Our rare is Chimera. Next we have Nagari, Hidode, Visitors from the Darkness, Shino. Okay, our second super rare is Orochimaru, back when he was younger. Nice. Okay, so here's a close-up of his effect. 5 entrance cost, 2 hand cost, 6/4, and 5/2. There's 3 dots, holographic back, and name. Really nice. I'm going to sleeve this card up. Now we have Jiraiya, Orochimaru. We just need Tsunade, and we'll have all 3 legendary Sannin. So continue on. We have Clone Spinning Axe Kick and Assimilation Sand Coffin. Alright, we have 2 packs left for the Jiraiya side. We already have 2 super rares. I believe that the other 2 super rares will be in the other set of 12, but we'll keep going to finish this off. So for the 11th pack, starting off, we have Neguri, Burnished Blades, Sasuke Uchiha is the holographic foil, Ino, Blown in the Wind, Ache of the Curse Mark, Hokushin, Choji, Akamichi. That's some nice full cover art, like that. Torpedo Nail, and our rare is Kakashi Hatake in his Anbu days. Our final pack of the Jiraiya set. First card is No Power of Observation, Princess Dusk. Our holographic back is Gosun Kugi, Nagari, Funeral of the Living, Power of the 7 Swordsmen of the Mist, Ino, Shino, Cheesecake Jutsu, and our rare is Haido Transformed. Halfway done, 2 super rares pulled and 2 super rares left to go. So let's start with the 4th pack. First card is Summoning Jutsu Sea Monster. Our rare is Under a Starry Sky, Fire Style Dragon Flame Jutsu, Kahiko. Our holographic back is Karashi, False Charge, Self-Sacrifice, Right Man for the Right Job, Naruto Uzumaki, and Island of Mysterious Abductions. Pack 2. Thunder Funeral, Feast of Lightning. Back up. Rare is Youths of the Land of Wind, 3-section Staff, Princess Dusk. Holographic back is Komi. Irregular Attack, Symbol of the Evil, Out of Mission Activities, Neji Hyuga. Pack 3. Shadow of the Nine-Tailed Fox Spirit, Tonfa. Our rare is Power of Galil. We have Kurosuki Gang, Okay, third super rare is Lightning Blade. Holographic back and foil name. Here is the effect. Requirements are Kakashi. Choose one of the following. The user gets +7/+0 during the turn, or negate and discard one jutsu card being played. Nice. I'm going to sleeve this up and place it over with the other super rares. All right. Continue on. We have Gentle Fist, Gosun Kugi, Kankuro, Blown in the Wind, and Clematis Dance Flower. All right, 3 super rares. Fourth pack. Starting off, we have Box Lunch, Time Stands Still. Our holographic back is Self-Sacrifice, Clematis Dance Flower, Hitode, Power of the Seven Swordsmen of the Mist, Rock Lee, Clone Spinning Axe Kick, Assimilation Sand Burial, and our rare is Clear Sky. Fifth pack. First card is going to be Ache of the Curse Mark, 10/10, Lightning Ball, Universal Assimilation Jutsu. Our rare is Chimera, Paper Bomb, Hido's Soldier. Our holographic is Shadow of the Nine-Tailed Fox Spirit. Nice diamond pattern. Night Attack and Tragedy. Pack 6. Boulder Avalanche, Tonfa. Our rare is Water Style Furious Current Jutsu, Flying Knee, Sasuke Uchiha. Our holographic back is Tragedy. We have Hakaku, a Vicious Reception, Scum Recipe, and Ranmaru. 6 packs left, and we have one more super rare that we need to pull. Starting off, we have Scum Recipe, Torpedo Nail. Our rare is Rising Thunder, Princess Dusk, and our 4th super rare is Kakashi Hatake. There we go. We have the effect. He's a 5 entrance cost, 1 hand cost, 6/3 healthy, 3/2 injured. Very nice holographic back and foil name. I'm going to sleeve this one up as well. All right, 4 super rares, and we still have a few packs left. Kakashi and a lightning blade. It was meant to be. We'll continue on with the cards in that pack. We have Iron Chain, Konohamaru Ninja Squad, Choji Akamichi, Right Guess, and Irregular Attack. All right, next pack. Surprise Attack in the Dark, Repose of the Warriors, Duel at OK Temple, Izumu and Kotetsu, Choji, Shark Skin. Our rare is Orochimaru and Kabuto. Moving Underwater, Might Guy, and holographic back is Mobile Fortress. All right, we have Hyuga Wei, Gosen Kugi, Muscle Memory, Torpedo Nail. Our rare is Gomi, Black Tornado, Deleted Record. Holographic back, which is also a rare, is Clear Sky, Eno, Blown in the Wind. We have 3 more packs left. Alright, we have Power of the Shotgun Eye, Deep Ambition. Holographic back is Funeral of the Living, Leaf's Village Open Competition, Sancho, Survival on Mount Takamari, Hokushin, Choji, Chakra Absorption Jutsu, and another rare Haido Transformed. Second to last pack. Visitors from the Darkness, Shino, Hanabi, and Hiyashi. Multi-Shadow Clone Jutsu. Blocked Memory is our rare. Suki Omi. It's a nice card. Itachi requirements. Alright, we have Cursed Samurai in white. Our holographic back is Threat of the Akatsuki. Armed Puppet. I'm Coming to You. Alright, our last pack. We have Right Guess, False Jutsu, Konohamaru Ninja Squad, Muscle Memory, Flying Nail Mist, Sea Monster Panic is the rare, Restoration of the Memory, Asuma. Our holographic is Out of Mission Activities. And our last card is Naruto Uzumaki. Let's take a closer look at the notable cards that were pulled from this set. Starting with the holographic common and uncommon, we have Sasuke Uchiha, Karashi, Gosen Kugi, Pocha Lee, Lightning Ball, Black Tornado, Gentle Fist, Funeral of the Living, Mobile Fortress, Tragedy, Shadow of the Nine-Tailed Fox Spirit, Self-Sacrifice, Out of Mission Activities. Taking a look at the rares, we had Kakashi, Kasami, Gatsu, Komi, Tokai, Gamera, Orochimaru and Kabuto, Haido Transformed, Power of Galel, Rising Thunder, Water Style Furious Current Jutsu, Wanted poster with a reward, Youths of the Land of Wind, 2 of those, 2 Ghost Panic, 2 Flying into the New Era, Locked Memory, Under a Starry Sky, 2 Sea Monster Panic, another Blocked Memory, 2 Clear Sky, Threat of the Akatsuki, and Use of the Land of Fire. Finally, we have our 4 super rares, starting off with Jiraiya. Next we had Orochimaru, then Kakashi, and 1 Jutsu Lightning Blade. So that was Lineage of Legends Booster Box Set 10. I pulled some really cool cards. I'm really happy with how that booster box turned out. Thank you guys for joining in and watching me open up another booster box. I'll be opening up more Naruto cards in the future, so keep a lookout for those videos. Like always, thank you and stay safe.